In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Google Chrome Bookmarks bar. If you're aiming for a cleaner, more spacious browsing experience, hiding the bookmarks bar is a quick win. Don't worry, you're not deleting your bookmarks, you're simply hiding that row so you have more room for the page you're viewing. And you can bring it back at any time using the exact same controls. The fastest method uses a keyboard shortcut. While Chrome is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and B together. The bookmarks bar will instantly disappear. Press the same keys again to show it. Think of this as a simple on and off switch you can use whenever you want more screen space or when you need your bookmarks handy again. If you're using a keyboard where the modifier keys look different, this shortcut might appear with the Command key on some systems, but the idea is the same. It toggles the bar on and off in a split second. If you prefer using your mouse, you can adjust it from the Chrome menu. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser window to open the main menu. Move your cursor over Bookmarks and Lists. In the submenu that appears, click to uncheck Show Bookmarks Bar. As soon as you uncheck it, the bar disappears. If you change your mind, go back to the same place and check it again. This is handy if you don't use shortcuts or you're guiding someone else through the process and want them to follow along visually. You can also control this from Chrome settings, which is useful if you like making changes in one place and leaving them set. Click the three dots in the top right corner, choose Settings, and then select Appearance on the left side. Find the option labeled Show Bookmarks Bar and toggle the switch to Off. This hides the bar across your browsing, and the change sticks even after you restart Chrome. To show it again, return to the same setting and toggle it back on. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the quick keyboard toggle, the menu option under Bookmarks and Lists, or the appearance setting, your bookmarks remain saved and safe. You're simply choosing when they're visible. Enjoy the extra space for browsing, working, or recording your screen. And remember, you can switch it back on just as easily whenever you need it. You're all set.